Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. The role of Israel drones in India. Israeli weapons played a major role as the unprecedented military escalation between nuclear armed India and Pakistan shifted to drone warfare. After a deadly military attack in Indian held Kashmir in late April, New Delhi and Islamabad have escalated far beyond the unusual limited war between nuclear powers have opted for in recent years. During the most intense fighting in decades, which ended abruptly with a fragile ceasefire, declared on Saturday fighting jet missiles and drones were all used, with the latter making a new phase in the rivalry. Last Thursday, Pakistan's military claimed it had downed 25 Israeli-made Indian drones over some of the country's major cities, including Karachi, Rawalpindi, and Lahore. Why India has embraced Israel amid the Gaza war, and why the Pakistan has embraced Turkey drones. The first drone war between India and Pakistan was held, and the war in the first. India accused Pakistan on the same day of launching several waves of missiles and drone attacks on its military bases in India and Indian administered Kashmir, which it claimed was shut down by its air defense system. The use of drones came a day after what has been described as one of the longest and largest aerial dogfights in recent aviation history, when 125 Indian and Pakistani fighter jets battled for over an hour. India has so far denied Pakistan claims of shooting down its jet, but if evidence emerges to support significant damage to India's air force, it would represent an operational failure for New Delhi. Why India has switched to drone warfare? Jason Shah, analyst of FINRA in Washington, told the New York their performance of Pakistan's Chinese-made J-10 fighter jets and the use of PL-15 missiles by Pakistan Air Force had essentially cemented Pakistan air superiority during the first day of the conflict. To prevent the loss of further aircraft, the potential of capturing pilots, India decided to use the Arab suicide drone from Israel for the rest of the conflict against Pakistan and not take the further losses in the air. According to the Lieutenant General Ahmad Sharif Chaudhry, the Pakistan military spokesman, Indian drones are sent to the 9 locations, including bigger cities like Karachi, Rawalpindi, and Lahore. The Israeli-made Arab drones are capable of flying up to 35,000 feet and beyond the range of the most anti-aircraft guns manufactured by Israeli aerospace industry, and they are loitering munitions that can also attack target by crashing into them. Thank you very much for watching this video. Many thanks for watching this video. Please give likes, and please subscribe this channel for more videos and updates. No more today. Thank you very much again for watching this video. Many thanks. Allah Hafiz.